Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share the 8 steps on how to do online research. This is very helpful for students, especially in empowerment technology. If you are doing assignments, projects, or reports, this guide will help you a lot. So let's get started. Step 1. Identify your topic. First, you need to know what topic you are going to research. Make sure your topic is clear and specific so you won't get confused while searching online. Step 2. Write your research question. Next, turn your topic into a question. This will guide you on what information you really need to find. Step 3. Search using the internet. Now, open your browser and use search engines like Google. Type keywords related to your topic instead of long sentences. Step 4. Choose reliable sources. Not all websites are trustworthy. Choose websites like educational sites, government sites, and trusted articles. Step 5. Read and understand the information. Don't just copy and paste. Read the information carefully and understand it. Step 6. Take notes and save your sources. Write down important details and don't forget to save the website links so you can use them for your references. Step 7. Check the accuracy of the information. Compare information from different websites to make sure it is correct and reliable. Step 8. Organize and present your research. Finally, organize all the information you gathered and turn it into your project, report, or presentation. And that's it. Those are the 8 steps on how to do online research. We hope this video helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!